So good morning, each one of you. After completing chapter number 10, today we'll do the NCERT worksheet of chapter number 10. That is worksheet number 10, worksheet number 19 of chapter number 10. So let's continue with write your name, class, section, roll number, and even write today's date also. Your question number 1 is tick the most appropriate answer. So first question is, incomplete development of male secondary sexual characteristics is caused due to the deficiency of which of the hormone? Yes, Neha Jain.
Testosterone.
So that is due to the testosterone. That is testosterone. Second is, which of the following hormones initiate metamorphosis in frogs? Yes, Akshita. Metamorphosis in frogs. That is?
Thyroxine.
Thyroxine. Number 3, which of the following is not a secondary sexual characteristics feature of girls? That is deepening of the voice. The girl's voice is sharpened, not the deep. Next is, which of the following combination of chromosomes leads to the birth of a baby girl? Yes, Akshita?
Ma'am, XX chromosomes.
XX chromosomes. XX chromosomes will be there, then the birth of girl child is here. Number 5, reproductive health in adolescents can be maintained by. So how it can be maintained, Varuni? Taking well.
All of
Yes.
all of them.
All of these. Okay. So the answer will be all of these. So all are required for it. Next is complete the following statements. Human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. These changes mark the onset of. Yes, beta, those who have raised hand. Yes, Raghav.
Non-puberty.
Yes, it is puberty. Next is dash glands releases hormones directly into the dash to reach a particular body part called dash.
Endocrine.
Release hormone directly, endocrine glands. Endocrine glands releases hormones directly into blood. That is called a target site. That is called target site. Next is, all human beings have dash of chromosomes. How many chromosomes?
23.
23 pair. Beta, you have to write down 23 pairs of chromosomes. The gamete have dash of chromosome. One pair of chromosomes. The fertilized egg always have dash chromosomes, but sperms are of two kind. One kind, tell me.
XY.
The fertilized egg always have a dash chromosome.
X chromosomes.
But एक बार जरा check करिए again. Check it again. The fertilized egg. Yes, fertilized egg has XX. This is XX chromosomes. Has, but sperms are of both kind. One kind has X, chromosome and other kind has Y chromosome.
Y.
Y.
The sex chromosomes of the dash determine the sex of an unborn baby. The sex chromosomes of
Secondary sexual character.
father. Okay, determines the sex of unborn baby. Next, it is important to eat dash and maintain personal hygiene during the adolescence, to eat balanced diet. And to maintain personal hygiene. To maintain personal hygiene. Done up to here? Okay, children, let's continue with the next part. Next is the production of male or female hormones is under the control of another hormone secreted from the endocrine gland. Yes, Anshika Agarwal. Is called
pituitary
dash
gland.
gland.
Ma'am, pituitary gland.
Yes, pituitary gland. The answer will be pituitary gland. Next is number 6, C part. Correct and rewrite the following statements. Fertilization is necessary for sexual reproduction. You have to rewrite and correct this statement. Fertilization is necessary for sexual reproduction. Yes, Varuni?
Ma'am, it is written
Yes, it is.
fertilization is necessary for asexual reproduction. No, it is necessary for sexual reproduction.
Yes, instead of this word, there will be a sexual. Write down. Sexual reproduction. Next, the sex of a child is determined both father and mother. It's not both. Pura
It's
आएगा,
only
पूरा
father.
circle करो. Yes, only father. Write down. Next, estrogen hormone develops a deeper voice in males at puberty. Tell me,
Ma'am,
estrogen
in
is
female.
responsible for it.
Estrogen is female hormone.
Yes. या तो बेटा anything you can change. या आप एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन्स की जगह पे थायरॉक्सिन कर सकते हैं, और अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट डाउन एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन्स डेवलप, यहां से पूरा इन मेल फीमेल्स you can write down here. Estrogen hormones develop in females. It's your wish. Next is very short answer type questions. Given below are the situations that could result due to the lack of certain hormones. Identify the hormones and name the gland which secretes it. First is blood sugar level remains high. The person feels exhausted and hungry quite often. There is also increased thirst. So children, these are the symptoms of diabetes. So आपको बताना है इसमें identify the hormone. Which hormone is there? Which hormone?
Insulin.
Insulin hormone. And you have to write down secreted by which gland? Insulin. Name the
Pancreas.
gland. बताओ. secreted by pancreas. Neck develops swelling, slow heart rate, depression, unexplained weight gain. So what can be there? Yes, Tanya? First of all, you have to name the hormone, then secreted by whom? Tell me.
Ma'am, thyroxine.
Secreted by?
Thyroid gland.
ओके थायराइड ग्लैंड बेटा इसके आगे लिख लीजिए सिक्रेटेड बाय थायराइड ग्लैंड ओके नेक्स्ट इज Pari Agarwal, just read the C part. Read this C part. I'm not able to hear C.
Short stature, reduced bone strength, slow rate of maturity, poor memory.
Okay. So can you give me which hormone will be there? It will be growth hormone, GH. Okay. So growth hormone or GH you can write down. Next is what controls metamorphosis in insects?
Insect hormones.
Yes, it will be insect hormone. Beta, if it has been asked for insect, then you will write down insect hormone. अगर सिर्फ frog के लिए लिखा होगा, then you will write down thyroxine. Okay? Insect hormone. Insect hormone. Just mind it, if it is written for insect, then it will be insect hormone. If it will be written for the frogs, then it will be thyroxine. Next is short answer type questions. What are hormones? So kindly give me the definition of hormones. What are the common characteristics in boys and girls at the teenage? Why do many youngsters have acne and pimple during the adolescence? So I hope children, you may write the answers of all these. These questions are very, very simple. Okay. With this, your one worksheet is completed. That is worksheet number 19.